how to fix iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it if your iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi. Stick around till the end and hopefully one of these will work for you. Alright, let's start with the basics. Swipe down from the top right of your iPhone to open Control Center. Tap and hold on the top left box with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and make sure VPN is off. If VPN is on, tap it to disconnect. Now go into Settings. Scroll down to General. Then tap VPN and Device Management. If there's a VPN listed there, tap the little eye next to it and remove or delete it. Still not working. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then go to Location Services. Scroll to the very bottom and tap System Services. In here, search and find Networking and Wireless. Turn it off and confirm. Now go ahead and restart your iPhone. Press volume up, then volume down, and then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone powers back on, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. If it still doesn't work, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network like a friend's or public one. If that works, then the problem might be your router. And if nothing has worked so far, go back into Settings. Tap General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then hit Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Don't worry, it won't delete your stuff, just your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. Once it resets, try connecting again, and that should hopefully solve it. Alright, I really hope this helped. If it did, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching.